Thinking about buying your first home? Stop. This one mistake could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Buying a house isn't just about finding your dream home, it's about making a smart financial decision. Many first-time buyers focus only on the monthly mortgage payment, but that's only part of the real cost. You also need to budget for property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance, repairs, and closing costs. These expenses can add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your monthly budget. A simple rule many financial experts recommend is to keep your total housing costs within a comfortable share of your monthly income so you have room for savings and unexpected expenses. Before you buy, compare neighborhoods, research school districts, review local property taxes, and always get a professional home inspection. Remember, the cheapest house isn't always the best investment, and the most expensive one isn't always the smartest choice. Real estate is about making informed decisions, not emotional ones. Follow Wealth Decoded for practical investing tips, personal finance strategies, and smart real estate insights that help you build long-term wealth.